Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study the market before starting a business. First, clearly define your business idea and what you plan to sell. Next, research the overall industry and its current size to gauge your potential reach. Finally, decide on the geographic area your business will serve, whether it's a local community or a broader market. These initial steps are crucial for laying a strong foundation. Understanding your target audience is key. Start by researching demographics like age, income, and where your ideal customers live. Then, delve into psychographics to understand their interests, values, and daily routines. Most importantly, identify their specific needs and any problems they face. This helps you tailor your product or service to truly solve their challenges and resonate with them.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, making market research a breeze while it cleans. Check the description below for the product link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to analyze your competition. Identify both direct and indirect competitors in your market. Carefully evaluate their strengths, weaknesses, and how they price their offerings. Look at their customer service and overall brand perception. Understanding their market share and how they position themselves will help you find your unique selling proposition and stand out effectively. Finally, look for market trends and opportunities. Research current industry trends, new technologies, and changes in how consumers behave. This helps you spot unmet needs or gaps that your business could fill. Always be on the lookout for potential growth areas and future demands that perfectly align with your business concept. This forward-thinking approach can give you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.